Let's learn a cool word today, chute. It's used as a naming word. We call it a thing. Chute means a sloping path or slide that helps something move down quickly. In Hindi, chute has many meanings. एक फिसल पट्टी, दो ढलान से नीचे जाने वाला रास्ता, तीन कूड़ा या कपड़े गिराने की सुरंग, चार छोटा पैराशूट. The kids were laughing as they slid down the water chute. बच्चे हंसते हुए पानी की फिसलपट्टी से नीचे फिसले. Some similar words are: एक स्लाइड फिसलने वाला रास्ता, दो चैनल नाली, तीन फ्ल्यूम पानी की ढलान नली. And its opposites: एक लिफ्ट ऊपर ले जाने वाला, दो असेंट चढ़ाई. Chute is often used in phrases like mail chute, laundry chute, water chute. Think of the opposite idea. Instead of going down, something going up. Like a lift or elevator. Chute sounds like chute. It also means a small parachute, same sound, different use. Nope. This word doesn't have a twin with different pronunciation. Types of chutes: garbage chute, water chute, fire escape chute. And broadly, it belongs to the world of slides and passages.